Boys are trying to mount up some of these 26x14 XF off-road wheels today. They're not ours. They were brought to us by another shop to mount because another shop couldn't get them mounted. They've got these, what are these, 37, 1350, 26s, the Venom tires. I'm not a big fan of the Venom tires, but the wheels aren't too bad. 26x14 XF off-road. A lot of Silverado stuff today. A lot of Silverados up here. Jake was cutting the shit out of one of them. Oh no. Oh no. I mounted a couple 33s on one. I like this blue. Not too bad. These are actually for a 10-inch BDS lifted Silverado that another shop's doing. It'll be here tomorrow. I was coming up here for lunch, so y'all will see that tomorrow. Oh no! That mirror's so off. What do you think?
Boom, that's perfect. Badass only.
Badass only.
That's me.
Just put your foot on it. Yeah.
Right. I don't know.
She might not appreciate it, but oh, move the seat. Just bring it all the way forward. All the way forward, and yeah.
No, a little bit.
Just a little bit.
That's like a little bit farther back.
She'll appreciate that.
It looks good.
It looks good now.
Like the mod.
It just says badass.
Only.
I don't know where she got this font from. It's like, I don't know. You like all the freaking dog hair.
I feel like the font's from a coloring book. Like a kid's coloring book.
I don't know. I don't like that the B and the D have like the little extra just thing on top. Y'all see that? It's just got that little extra piece. I just want to like cut it off.
Badass.
It almost looks like the B's upside down.
Oh, that does bother me now.
Yeah, like you see, it just, I don't know, something about it just ain't right. I don't know.
Bam.
It is what it is though. It looks all right. Oh, that's what I get for laughing at. Look at this. Oh man, no. Oh no. Gosh. All just, yep, Jesus. That's what I get. The people I work with. I hope your mirror falls off on the way home. I hope it just falls off. So a lot of you guys are probably wondering why I'm staying late after work, and that is because my great friend Grant, that I just recently met, who is actually a subscriber of the channel, hence the title of the video, subscriber shows up to my, something like that, is here at my job taking pictures of the truck. He's from South, he says from South Florida. He's come up here. I can't remember why. I'm not gonna put his business out here, but he's in the Atlanta area. He reached out to me, wanted to meet up, wanted to get some pictures of the truck, wanted to hang out, film, all that great stuff. And you know me, being the most hospitality driven human being in the world, I'd, of course, bring everybody. So we're hanging out for the afternoon. We're gonna take some pictures, do all kinds of fun shit. I might even, I don't know, we're gonna find something to get into. I'll go home. I think Christina got her nails done today for the first time during this whole coronavirus crap, so maybe we'll go home and see what her fingernails look like. That's why you guys are subscribed to the channel, right? To see Christina's new fingernails that she got done. That is exactly why. Road to 10,000 subscribers for Christina's fingernails. Man at work. I love it. Absolutely love it. So I was just telling him, this is the first time I've had any professional pictures done of my truck since I moved here. So a year next month, I think July 10th, 11th, 14th, something like that is when I moved up here, and it's been since before then of last year that I got professional pictures done of the truck. So it's been over a year, and I'm pretty excited to bring some good content back to the channel for you guys. The next big mod for my truck, I'm gonna be fixing the wheel lights at some point, and that's really gonna set the content off on my Instagram again. That's really gonna bring some good content back to the channel. My face is like really, it looks really dirty, doesn't it? You know, my hands and my face look like this, so hers can look like that. Grant's over there taking pictures. I brought him to the tent shop because I knew there was a really great spot right around the corner from the tent shop. And then bam, here we are. Shop with the boys. Car wash, $25. Interior and exterior. Oh man.
Hey, what's up?
My hands are kind of nasty right now, so.
Fuck it, ours are too.
The boys!
What's up, brother?
What's up? I like this like little like hair thing you got going on right now.
Yeah, man, it's called hair.
Bro, look at you, man. No, mine's kind of. Y'all don't want to see mine right now. Mine's all crazy. I've been getting I was up way too late last night. And what does she want me to do? First thing this morning, go get her a Sprite before I go to work. What do? I go get her the Sprite because I'm nice. Even though I'm half dead right now. On a real note, guys, Grant will be back. Wow. On a real note, guys, Grant will be back this weekend on Sunday. We've got some awesome content planned for this weekend. I've got awesome content for this weekend planned in general, like huge shit. Huge shit. Like shit. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. I will see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. You know that? Hope you guys know that. I hope you know each one of you. I love each one of you personally, you know. Just know. But I'm gonna stop talking. It's early in the morning and I do not feel like being on camera right now, so I will see you guys later. Let's get the spread.
That's what I'm talking about.